and we are down at 623. I not know what we did on the market today, so I'm curious what will happen. Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. In this channel, I show you guys the progress of a Python program, my first Python program, with the meaning of doing some automatic trading on the Nasdaq market. And in a daily report, I tell you what I did change in the code, if there are changes in the code, and how the bot did, and how we are doing on the market. And for today, it's Monday, it's the start of a new week, so let's see how the bot did on this day. Well, let's start with the code usually. So I do starting with the code again. Let's grab the code. And I know there's nothing changed in the code. So we don't need to talk about what changed in the code because I did not change in the code. But we're looking at, and that's the bottom half, and I'm gonna bring it more up here. In the bottom half, you'll see market closed and a lot of low numbers later on, but early in the day you see a lot of numbers of going the average. The average change is the first part, and the actual change is the second part behind the dash. Then you can see what we did, and you see that the actual change was very low, and the average change was about 1.6, 1.8. Going up, then we had, I don't know at what time exactly, but we had a average change of 166 and an actual change of 174 that triggered a normal position in the market and a buy with a calculated stop loss distance of 36. So there was a buy. I don't know if it was successful or not. I don't think so it was successful because I already know if I look at the bot what the bot did. So I don't think it was successful. But there was a buy at that moment, which meant that the MACD was in the right movement, and we had a normal market being bigger than the 0.9, and that the actual change was bigger as that too. And then we see a lot of normal sells, normal sell, and then early today, I will go back, we see numbers in the 2. Average change 2.5, actual change 258, and that also triggers a buy, no, a sell in this case. So this also being categorized as a normal market. That's what we see, and that's what I see much more. So the numbers telling a lot, but doesn't give me the answer that I'm looking for. What do the market, is it the normal market, is it a slow market, or a highly volatile market? For now, in the code, and you see right down here, we have that there is a slow market, everything below the 0.9. And I was thinking about, and I will put it in the Discord, to change the threshold up to a higher number. 1.5 sounds good, but if I look right up here, a 2 is also possible. And this is a 2% change. This is almost 2.5% change average. Yeah. Did we have a slow market or did we not have a slow market? So let's take a look at that. I'm going to bring this back to normal size and then switch to the bot. And in the bot, we see we had a non-profitable day. It's minus 623. When we started last Sunday, so we had almost 500 candles, and we are down at 623. I not know what we did on the market today, so I'm curious what will happen. So I'm gonna switch back from the bot, not to the code, but to the market. And if we look at the market, we see that there was rather active market. I cannot say that we had a slow market. Maybe in the morning hours. Yeah, I noticed this yesterday when I started the bot. A huge gap. And this is because of Tesla. I looked it up. Tesla also had this drop. Look at this. Oh, muck. From 400 and what? 404. A drop back. Yay. Refresh. Thank you. That was not my question. A maximum drop down to 300 and what will we say? 87. Almost 30. Yeah, almost $30 drop of Tesla, and it's not done yet. It's even went down to what's this point right here, 374. So 374 is the lowest. Let's take a look. If I go, it came from 404, and then 374 is $30 drop in a day. Am I correct? Yeah, in a day. And it went up again. Now we're back at 389, but oh boy. But I saw this at the Nasdaq also, and what happened here? And during the day, and that's what we see right here, the gap is closed again. Then let's take a look at the results, because I'm curious, what did we do? Oh, we did not do well, I guess. Oh, €3 drop at 5 o'clock in the morning. Another 4 and a 7, and then $14, 14 euros profit, and then a 4 again. Yeah. We are down to 600. And we started with 602. I'm not going to change. I'm going to wait until I get response from you guys on Discord to tell me what should I do with the numbers. Should I put up a higher threshold than 1, or even if we go back to this one, to 2.5, or a threshold of even 3. But I've never seen today that we reach it at 3, only a 2 as a maximum change. And which means if we go to a 3 as a threshold for a slow market, then again, look at it, then an entire day there will be no positions opened at all, because we did not have a change of 3. I want to know which one, we can see which one was the profitable one. We had an opened 1, 2, and 3. The 4th one was profitable. So let's take a look. This was 1, a stop loss distance of 36. This 1, this 2, also 36 stop loss distance. Number 3, where is 3? Late in the afternoon. There, also stop loss distance of 36, but this one was profitable. And it had a lower average change and a lower change, actual change, than the first 3. So this is profitable. Strange. And then the final one, again, normal sell, 161 with a stop loss of 36. Yeah, okay. Tell me, guys, give me feedback. I want to know what you think about this, how you think about what I should do about the numbers, or that we don't should do anything at all. Which brings me back to the results of today, and we had a small loss, of course, of €6. Again, we're down to 600, and that was it for today. So let me know in the comments what you think about the numbers, what you think about the program. If you do like, press like, and do subscribe. Please subscribe. It would be nice to have some subscribers too. And I see low numbers on the view counter. So I made a lot of videos the last couple of months, and still all you guys only look at what, 2 minutes max of 10 or 15 minutes I post? Strange. Let me know, which 2 minutes do you think are the most important? Then maybe I can make videos of about 2 minutes. Then I can save you some time. Well, and if you want to support me, there is also a Patreon account available, and you can watch the bot live on Twitch every day as long as there is an active market. And the market is active again, because you see in the video we are at 12 exactly, and we put up a higher point. Okay, so all I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.